Unit 4, Lesson 1. Track 15. Listen to two announcements. Make a note of the important information in each case. 1. At the airport.
This is the final call for A320 to Beirut. Would all passengers for flight A320 to Beirut go to gate 7? That's the final call for flight A320 for Beirut, leaving from gate 7.
2. At the shopping mall.
Attention please. I have a special announcement about this week's competition. This is the number of the winning ticket. The number is green 428. That's green 428. If you have number 428 green, come to the information desk for your prize.